Welcome, today I am with REALME C25Y from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this device comes with factory screen protection. So as you can see, when you take a look right here for the front camera, you can spot this foil. It comes right here from the edge to the edge and also covers the bottom, basically the whole screen. So yeah, in this smartphone you can find foil as a factory protection. You can install tempered glass right here to improve protection. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.